The space elevator, a concept that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, is an idea that has captivated imaginations and inspired scientists for over a century. Its roots can be traced back to 1895, when Russian scientist Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, inspired by the Eiffel Tower, envisioned a celestial castle at the end of a spindle-shaped cable, anchored to the equator and reaching into space. This concept was further popularized in the 20th century through the works of Arthur C. Clarke, whose novel The Fountains of Paradise brought the idea into the mainstream of science fiction. At its core, the space elevator represents an audacious leap in space exploration technology. The idea is to connect Earth with a counterweight in space via a cable, allowing materials and people to ascend into orbit without the need for rocket propulsion. This would be achieved using a cable made of carbon nanotubes or other advanced materials, strong and light enough to withstand the immense stresses involved. The science behind a space elevator is based on the principle of geostationary orbit, where a satellite remains fixed in the sky relative to a point on Earth. The elevator's cable would extend from a base station on the Earth's equator up to a counterweight far beyond geostationary orbit. Climbers, powered by electric motors or magnetic levitation, would then ascend the cable, drastically reducing the cost and environmental impact of sending objects and people into space. However, realizing a space elevator faces monumental challenges. The material for the cable must be both incredibly strong and impossibly light, far surpassing the capabilities of any currently available materials. Carbon nanotubes hold promise, but manufacturing them at the necessary scale and strength remains a significant hurdle. Additionally, the elevator would need to be safeguarded against space debris, weather, and other environmental factors, requiring advancements in tracking and avoidance technologies. In conclusion, while the space elevator remains a concept rather than a reality, its evolution from science fiction to a serious scientific proposition highlights the limitless potential of human ingenuity. Overcoming the technical, material and environmental challenges will require breakthroughs in multiple fields of science and engineering. Yet, the prospect of a space elevator revolutionizes how we access space, making it more sustainable and accessible, and marks a potential turning point in human space exploration. As research continues, the boundary between the dreams of science fiction and the realms of possibility continues to blur, bringing us ever closer to turning this audacious idea into reality. Until next time, never stop being curious.